Decipher the meaning of Ākāśa-tattva Sutra, which reads as Akhand Shrota, Rit Shakti Nirguno, Guru, Shanti Sorupa, Brahmloki, Tattva Janaka, kal-śoṣī vṛtte, Ākāśa-tattvam. Let us understand the root meaning or intuition of Akash-tattva, which is also known as space element. Akash-tattva is the cosmic order. Let us look at the word Akhand Shrota, which means listener of non-divisive. Let's dig deeper into it. As we have seen that fire element burns the mind objects and unifies the energy. This energy is perceived by space element. Therefore, we can say that space element is invisible element which listens to other elements. On the other hand, earth, water, fire, air elements are visible elements or vṛtti elements. Let us understand the meaning of word Rit Shakti, which means energy and cosmic order. Let us first understand what is thought, created order. Thought creates order according to a pattern which is made of words and images, essentially. Due to limited capacity of the mind in any given moment, there shall be a limited part of that order in mind, or there could only be conceptual image of that order and not the order itself. By this argument, we can prove that any order created by thought must be disorder and therefore not an order. Now let's come to the cosmic order, which is a space element. In cosmic order, there is no conflict in mind. Cosmic order can only be understood by negation, which is not, which it is not. It can't be understood or stated by thought. Nirguna means without quality. Again, we will need to understand the three qualities of the mind before we understand what's without qualities. Three qualities of mind are tamas, rajas, and sattva. What is tamas? Tamas is slowing down of the vṛtti or thoughts or cutting down the vṛtti. Now, what is rajas? Rajas is the increment in the vṛtti or thoughts. And what is sattva? Sattva is that quality which observes both rajas and tamas. Space element is neither of these three qualities, and therefore it is beyond or without these three qualities. That's why the name Nirguna. Let us understand word guru, which means perception. Guru is the perception, which means listening to the non-divisive energy. As we have seen, space element is the listener of the non-divisive energy. Therefore, Guru is a space element. In Parashara Hora Shastra, it is mentioned that element of Jupiter or Guru is space. Shanti Sorupa means embodiment of peace. To understand this word, too, we shall dive deeper into the opposite of peace. Opposite of peace is called conflict or kalesha in Sanskrit, which comes from the fragmentation or division of the mind. Since space element is the listener of the non-divisive energy, therefore it is peace or state of non-conflict. Let us understand the word Brahmaloki, which means who lives or dwells in Brahmaloka. What is Brahmaloka? Brahmaloka is the state when the mind is perceived as the energy without any forms or qualities. Let us understand the word Tattva-janaka, which means source of the elements. Air, fire, water, earth. Elements come from the space element in this order, and therefore the word Tattva-janaka for Akash-tattva. Now let us understand the word kal-śoṣī vṛtti, which means one who grow by absorbing time. Let's dig deeper into it. What is time? It is the movement of thought or water element. When water element decreases in mind, then element of space increases. What it means is that when the movement of vṛtti decreases, then the sense of space increases in the mind. Let us compile the translation of Ākāśa-tattva Sutra. First, let's read the sutra again. Akhand Shrota, Rit Shakti Nirguna, Guru Shanti Swarupa, Brahmloki, Tattva Janaka, kal-śoṣī Vardate, Ākāśa-tattvam. Now let's look at the literal translation of the sutra. The Akasha principle is the eternal listener, the power of Rita or cosmic order, beyond qualities, Guru, embodiment of peace, lives in Brahmloka, the source of all elements, and that grows by absorbing time, is Akash Tattva.